From AI to Agritech, from cloud kitchens to clean tech, Bengaluru and the broader state of Karnataka have become the breeding ground for innovation, technology, and entrepreneurship. With over 13,000 startups, world-class incubators, tech giants, and a fast-growing digital economy, this region is one of Asia's most promising startup hubs. Today, we're diving into the top 20 startup business ideas that are booming across Bengaluru and Karnataka, with a special focus on target audience, business model, investment needed, and a lot more that could help you get started. Let's unlock the startup potential of Karnataka, one idea at a time. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. First idea, AI-powered health diagnostics. Use artificial intelligence to detect diseases like cancer, TB, and diabetes at early stages. What it solves: time-consuming diagnostics, late detection. Audience: hospitals, clinics, diagnostic labs. Market size: over $6 billion in the upcoming years. Investment: 20 to 50 lakh rupees. Profit: 30 to 40%. Government schemes: BIRAC Digital Health Mission. Second idea, sustainable packaging solutions. Manufacture eco-friendly alternatives to plastic for e-commerce and FMCG companies. What it solves: plastic waste and pollution. Audience: retailers, D2C brands, exporters. Market size: expected to reach 60,000 crore rupees in the upcoming years. Investment: 15 to 25 lakh rupees. Profit: 25 to 35%. Government schemes: Startup India Seed Fund, Tide 2.0. Third idea, Agritech supply chain platform. Create a digital marketplace connecting farmers to mandis, mills, and wholesalers. What it solves: lack of pricing transparency and logistics issues. Audience: farmers, cooperatives. Market size: over $24 billion in the upcoming years. Investment: rupees 10 to 20 lakhs. Profit: 20 to 30%. Government schemes: Agri-Infra Fund, PM Kisan. Fourth idea, Cloud Kitchen Hub. Operate shared kitchens for food brands focused on online deliveries. What it solves: high costs of opening restaurants. Audience: food entrepreneurs, online food aggregators. Market size: rupees 9,500 crore in the upcoming years. Investment: rupees 30 to 50 lakhs. Profit: 35 to 45%. Government schemes: Prime Minister Employment Generation Program and Mudra Loan. Fifth idea, EV battery swapping stations. Build smart stations for swapping electric vehicle batteries within minutes. What it solves: charging time and EV range anxiety. Audience: two-wheeler fleets, delivery startups. Market size: over $10 billion in the upcoming years. Investment: rupees 40 to 70 lakhs per station. Profit: 20 to 35%. Government schemes: FAME 2 Karnataka EV policy. Sixth idea, skill development, EdTech for Tier 2. Build a learning platform focused on digital and vocational skills for semi-urban youth. What it solves: unemployment and lack of digital skills. Audience: students, ITI graduates. Market size: over rupees 65,000 crore in the upcoming years. Investment: rupees 10 to 25 lakhs. Profit: 25 to 40%. Government schemes: Pradhan Mantri, Kaushal Vikas Yojana and Skill India. Seventh idea, AI chatbots for local businesses. Offer customizable AI chatbots to automate customer service for small enterprises. What it solves: limited support teams and delayed responses. Audience: local stores, clinics, service providers. Market size: growing at a compound annual growth rate of 25%. Investment: rupees 5 to 15 lakhs. Profit: 40 to 60%. Government schemes: Tide 2.0 and Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology Software as a Service support. Eighth idea, hyperlocal delivery for essentials. Launch a delivery network for grocery, medicine, and daily items within a few kilometers. What it solves: delayed deliveries in Tier 2 towns. Audience: families, senior citizens, shopkeepers. Market size: over $6 billion in the upcoming years. Investment, rupees 20 to 35 lakhs. Profit, 15 to 25%. Government schemes, Stand Up India, e-market linkage schemes. Ninth idea, organic farming aggregator. Connect certified organic farmers to premium buyers in urban areas. What it solves, poor market access for organic produce. Audience, urban families, retailers. Market size, rupees 10,000 crore in the upcoming years. Investment, rupees 10 to 20 lakhs. Profit, 30 to 50%. Government schemes, Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana. 10th idea, pet wellness and grooming app. A digital platform offering grooming, vet care, and pet products. What it solves, unorganized pet services market. Audience, pet owners in metro and tier 1 cities. Market size, rupees 5,000 crore in the upcoming years. Investment, rupees 10 to 15 lakhs. Profit, 35 to 45%. Government schemes, animal husbandry infra schemes. 11th idea, smart home automation devices. Create IoT-based home systems for security, lighting, and energy efficiency. What it solves, energy wastage and security gaps. Audience, urban households, gated communities. Market size, rupees 30,000 crore in the upcoming years. Investment, rupees 15 to 30 lakhs. Profit, 25 to 40%. Government schemes, Startup India, energy efficiency mission. 12th idea, Karnataka Vernacular content platform. Build a digital platform for educational and entertainment content in Karnataka. What it solves, language barriers in learning and entertainment. Audience, Tier 2 and Tier 3. Karnataka people. Market size, regional OTT market growing at a compound annual growth rate of 18%. Investment, rupees 10 to 20 lakhs. Profit, 30 to 50%. Government schemes, National Language Translation Mission. 13th idea, drone surveillance for agriculture. Provide drone-based crop monitoring, spraying, and yield prediction services. What it solves, manual monitoring inefficiencies. Audience, farmers, cooperatives, agrotech firms. Market size, rupees 5,000 crore drone services in the upcoming years. Investment, rupees 25 to 40 lakhs. Profit, 30 to 45%. Government schemes, Kisan Drone Scheme, Agri-Infra Fund. 14th idea, used EV resale marketplace. Launch a marketplace to buy, refurbish, and sell used electric vehicles. What it solves, EV resale trust and lack of valuation tools. Audience, EV buyers, fleet companies. Market size, expanding with 40% EV adoption goal. Investment, rupees 15 to 25 lakhs. Profit, 25 to 35%. Government schemes, FAME2, EV infra development funds. 15th idea, co-living spaces for working professionals. Managed shared accommodations with amenities for working youth. What it solves, poor rental housing experience. Audience, young professionals, remote workers. Market size, rupees 12,000 crore in the upcoming years. Investment, rupees 40 to 70 lakhs. Profit, 25 to 30%. Government schemes, rental housing policy, Mudra loan. 16th idea, IoT water management. Deploy smart sensors for real-time water usage tracking and leak detection. What it solves, water wastage and overbilling. Audience, apartment societies, real estate developers. Market size, 2.7 billion US dollars in India. Investment, rupees 10 to 20 lakhs. Profit, 25 to 35%. Government schemes, Jal Jeevan Mission, Smart Cities Program. 17th idea, home healthcare and nursing services. Provide trained nurses and caregivers for in-home medical needs. What it solves, lack of post-hospital care and elderly support. Audience, seniors, chronic patients, families. Market size, over rupees 20,000 crore in India. Investment, rupees 10 to 30 lakhs. Profit, 30 to 50%. Government schemes, Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission. 18th idea, AI resume and career builder platform. AI-based platform to create resumes and match career paths. What it solves, poor career planning and weak resumes. Audience, freshers, job switchers, students. Market size, career tech market growing at a compound annual growth rate of 18%. Investment, rupees 5 to 10 lakhs. Profit, 35 to 55%. Government schemes, Digital India skill development. 19th idea, e-waste collection and recycling unit. Establish a system for collecting and recycling electronic waste safely. What it solves, improper disposal of e-waste. Audience, households, corporates, municipal bodies. Market size, rupees 7,000 crore market in India. Investment, rupees 25 to 50 lakhs. Profit, 20 to 30%. Government schemes, e-waste rules, 2022, MSME green initiatives. 20th idea, digital mental wellness in regional languages. A digital therapy and wellness platform in Indian regional languages. What it solves, lack of accessible mental health care. Audience, students, employees, rural communities. Market size, rupees 4,000 crore in the upcoming years. Investment, rupees 10 to 15 lakhs. Profit, 30 to 50%. Government schemes, National Mental Health Program. Market Research Universe MRU helps entrepreneurs like you with our services, real-time market research and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation, go-to-market strategies, marketing campaign strategy, business plan, pitch decks and financial models, business registration, regulatory compliances, and documentation. Our solution. MRU Navigator, India's and the world's most advanced real-time market research, strategy, and business planning platform and tool for startup founders, CXOs, directors, investors, and academic professionals. Whether you're validating a new idea or scaling an existing business, MRU Navigator empowers you with real-time market insights, industry trends, competitor analysis, and consumer intelligence. From crafting feasible business plans to creating investor-ready pitch decks, MRU Navigator transforms your vision into actionable, data-driven strategies, all in one intuitive platform.
Every great success story begins with a vision. But what if you had a roadmap to turn that vision into reality? Introducing MRU Navigator for Business Planning, your go-to-market platform for startup business planning, real-time startup market trends, forecasts, competitors, opportunity, and business niche tracking. Imagine this. You're standing at the starting line of your business journey. What if you already knew where the hurdles were? What if you had a strategy before you even took your first step? That's exactly what MRU Navigator for Business Planning does. It gives you a clear, data-driven roadmap to navigate the startup world with confidence. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, MRU Navigator gives you the power of foresight with business plan reports and templates, ready to use, professionally designed to fast-track your startup journey, real-time market trends, dashboard, stay ahead of industry shifts and make informed decisions, competitor and opportunity analysis, identify gaps, analyze competition, and uncover hidden opportunities, business niche tracking, spot emerging trends before they explode into the mainstream. Your success isn't a matter of chance, it's a matter of the right plan. Let MRU Navigator for Business Planning be the launchpad to your entrepreneurial dream. Your startup's journey begins with the right plan. Start with MRU Navigator for Business Planning for real-time market trends, opportunities, and business niche tracking. So what are you waiting for? Sign up your free account today.